Hunter Hall is the University of Houston Clear Lake's first residence hall. Located between the Student Services Building and the Campus Rec and Wellness Center, Hunter Hall is in a great location right in the heart of campus. Hunter Hall features many amenities for its residents, including multiple lounges where students can hang out, watch TV, and chat, quiet study rooms on each floor, and even a full kitchen. Hunter Hall has 3 different room styles: a single room with a private bath, a suite-style double room, and a suite-style single room. Hunter Hall is officially open for the fall 2019